Hello there guys, and welcome to your Linux tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to have our checkpoint. Okay, so this is going to be a checkpoint where we discuss what we are going to talk about in the next section of this tutorial series. So in the following tutorials we will talk about command types. Okay, so let me just write it as command types. Okay, so not all commands are of the same type. We are going to talk about some file-related commands. So I will just write this as file commands, commands related to files, file commands. And the third thing we are going to talk about is going to be searching for files. Okay, we are going to be talking about searching for files. Now, as I am writing this, let me just discuss what is going to be the most important thing. Searching for files is the thing you will use most often, but it pays to know what command types are there and how to see the difference between two files. For example, that's what we are going to cover. Make sure to pay attention to searching for files, right? Make sure to pay attention to this section, but for the first two sections, definitely watch the videos, because number one, I invested some effort to record them, and number two, I think definitely you should be aware of these things, but they're not really that important. At least from my use case of Linux, as someone who's using Linux on a day-to-day basis, most of the GUI, to be honest, I'm not really like that romantic about the command line. Like if there exists a graphical user interface, why shouldn't I use it? I think that's one of the big things I'm approaching this course from a standpoint of, okay, you should learn about all of these things, you should know that they exist, but if you can use it in a much more intuitive way, why not? Right? Why should you need to use the command line? However, there will be times where you will need to use the command line, where you will need to use some file-related commands, where you will need to understand the difference between command types, and a lot of times you will be searching for files. So be sure to check out the following videos and definitely pay attention, pay special attention to searching for files. Okay, so this is it for this video, and I will talk to you soon.